Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Buki. If you're joining us for the first time, you're welcome. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make Zulu cap. So you'll be needing strong board, scissors, uh, gum, pen, measuring tape, beads, that's Fulani beads, and of course the material. You can start to use any material of your choice, but basically you need a plain material, usually blue, green, red, depending on what you want to do. So here's me measuring the board. First thing first, you have to measure the size. You have to measure your head, the size of your head. So I measured 23 for mine, and here's me cutting the length out and also making sure that it's not too high. Yeah, not too high. So after that, you wrap it around. I use stapler to staple it. So here's me cutting the round part for the head. So you cut it round gently. So you can actually make yours wider than this. I'm talking about the flat, the round part. You can make yours wider than this, but this is how I want mine to look like. So after that, you cut out your material. So here I used bridal satin here. So here's me cutting out the part I would like to use. So next, you cut a part of it round, round. So once immediately I finished, I had to apply glue on the top of the first one I cut. That's the body of the cap, and also applied on the body of the circle part I cut. Then placed it gently on it. Make sure they are equal. So here it is. So I made this one to be on top because I still have another fabric that is going to be placed on it. So here's me the applying the applying a glue, and then I gently spread the glue out. Make sure your glue covers everywhere so you will not have to apply, so everything will go well. So I gently covered the top. I made sure the fabric is stuck to the body of the cap, and also cut out the excesses. So next, this is where the creativity lies. So I had to make sure I have pleated body. So I had to use stapler to hold the body as I'm applying the pleated the designs. I'm using the stapler to hold it down so that at the end of the day it will come out well. Can you see? It's already given. Come on. I love what I'm saying. So this is it. The work is not done yet. The work is not done. So I did, after doing the finishing inside, I had to I'm going to apply the Fulani beads. It's common, you can get them in the market, of course. So I had to apply first. I had to use clip to hold them down. Then from there I started applying. From here I started applying glue to permanently hold them down. And at the end of the day, it came out nice. This is actually my first attempt. I'm going to be posting more. So let's wait and see how it came. And hula, it came out so nice. This is so beautiful and I'm so proud of myself right now. So comment down below. Let me know what else you would like me to make. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, watch, like, and share. Thank you so much for always having my back. See you next time. Bye bye.